How to fix slow boot time in SSD drive on a Windows PC. 1. Automatically update your AHCI driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Disable ULPS. To do this, find and set 0 to enable ULPS in Registry Editor. 3. Change power options. To high performance. 4. Disable unnecessary services on startup. 5. Turn on fast startup in Windows Control Panel. 6. Update your driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Disconnect your DVD drive. 8. Uninstall your graphics card drivers, temporarily. 9. Adjust your virtual memory settings. 10. Reset Windows.